The Treasury bills market is quiet today, with investors focusing on the day's 211 billion Treasury bills primary market auction. Chuka Nwachukwu, head of ALM and Balance Sheet Management at UBA, joins me for market updates. Chuka, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Esther.
I know investors are keeping an eye on the auction today, 211 billion. Bring us up to speed if we have any results out on the subscription levels and rates.
No, the result is not out yet. We expect the result in the next 1 or 2 hours. The market expects that yield will slightly move up by 20 or 25 basis points. The last auction 1 year came out at 16.75 from 13%, and that's about well over 370 basis points movement. And so market feels that this particular auction will print slightly higher than that, even though we have the system liquidity is pretty tight, very tight.
300 basis points, that's quite a leap.
Sorry?
You said 300 basis points. I said that's quite a leap.
No. I said 25 to 20 to 25 basis points is what we expect the this auction to come out. But however, the previous one came out about 370 basis points from 13% to 16.75.
Right. Things appear to be looking up at the bonds market. Could you share with us where we saw the most action today?
Bond has also been quiet today, though Monday, Tuesday we saw a bit of activity, especially on the longer end. The 2053, we saw some bit of sell-off in that on that particular security. The last auction result 2053 printed at around 18%, and then we saw a bit of sell-off, people trying to create liquidity, and now also with the view of upward movement in yield on the T-bills, we expect that the next bond auction will also print slightly higher. So people trying to just sell off what they have, just to create liquidity. All right.
Finally, at the FX market, bring us up to speed on trading today with the Naira and the dollar.
Yeah, the NAFEM is currently trading around 830. That's a bit of depreciation from 750 it traded a couple of days back, precisely 2 days back. And so it's still a quiet market, still a demand and supply issue. So we expect that this level market will continue to trade within this 830, 850 levels.
Right. So for the broader market, both the bonds market, treasury markets, what is your outlook for the rest of the week, especially liquidity levels?
Yeah, liquidity is still very tight. We expect this liquidity, this tightness in liquidity to continue. But there will be some form of respite next week, where we believe that FAC will come in, as well as some other inflow. So we expect that rates, in the interbank market, will hover around between 24 to 26%. So that will also affect trading for the rest of the week. We expect to see bullish, bearish sentiments on the bond side. The outcome of today's auction on the bill side will also determine what will happen, for the rest of the week. But we expect that it's going to be bearish, considering the system liquidity.
Right, Chuka, thank you for bringing us up to speed. I appreciate your time, as always, on the show. Chuka Nwachukwu, head of ALM and Balance Sheet Management at UBA.